Hey guys, CSA here, back with another video. In this video we are going to unbox the all new Samsung Galaxy ON8. Yes, let me unbox it for you. Meanwhile, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Tightly packed. The box is slightly green in color. Yes, it comes with a 6-inch infinity display, dual rear camera, face unlock, fingerprint scanner and 3500 mAh battery, Snapdragon 450 processor and 2 SIM cards and micro SD slot. And it also has a 3.5mm headphone jack. Yeah. Now let's do the unboxing. It is only available through online and it only supports Indian SIM cards. The similar phone with the same features is Samsung Galaxy J8. Yeah, unboxed it. It also comes with a 16 plus 5 megapixel rear camera and a 16 megapixel front camera. Yeah, let's keep it aside and let's look what's inside the box. Comes with basic paperwork, quick start guide, all those warranty card. Yeah, and it also comes with an some basic earphones from Samsung and a travel adapter, SIM ejection tool, and of course your mobile and some paperwork. Yeah, let me open the wrapper. It has a matte finish. Yes, meanwhile please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can upload more and more cool videos. It takes a while because we are booting up the device for the first time. Meanwhile, take a rest. Let's look at the back of the device. Yeah, it has an like a matte finish. It looks like metal, but it has a matte finish which is very steady to hold. Yeah, basic setup screen. You can do all your basic setups and like registering your account for Samsung and connect to your Google Pay account. Just like an ordinary Android phone. Meanwhile, if you have any if you have any suggestions to improve our channel, please write down in the comment section so that we can improve a lot. Yep, I think the setting is over. Yeah, typical Samsung phone. Yeah, it runs on Samsung Experience 9 and Android 8, I mean Oreo. It may get I think it will get to update to Android 9, I mean Pie, Android P. Meanwhile, please like, share and subscribe the video. I think that's all. I hope you liked the video. Then please do like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can help you better understanding the modern technology. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. That's all for today. Peace.